Hi, my name is Richard Weber. I'm the chairman of South Wales Police Football Club. Today we're here at Pen y Bont. We're playing a police match against Gwent, a big local derby. A match that goes back many years. We're also celebrating 50 years of South Wales Police Football Club, which coincides with the amalgamation of the local forces forming South Wales Police. And it was at that time the club started. One of the committee members who's still involved was involved then. And in early days they played in the South Western Counties League, they played in the Services League and against local and national police teams. The team progressed for many years until in the early 90s they gained entry into the Welsh League, the third division of the Welsh League. And for the next decade or so took part in that and the Welsh Cup pretty successfully. But there were challenges. To meet the criteria of the Welsh League, they had to build a stand, they had to build fencing and certain standards for the pitches. And the remains of that you'll see at Waterton Cross these days. And there's a good story that goes behind it. The team had to raise the money themselves, £10,000, to build that stand, to build the fences. They had a local contact in British Steel and they actually physically built the stands themselves. And just about 2000, we had to drop out of the Welsh League for different reasons, work commitments, but we're still going strong. We do well in the British Cup, reaching the semi-final last year and back in the early or late 90s. So we're going strong. We've only lost one game in the last 2 years. So we're very strong and we like to tour. So we've been to the World Police Games since '97 in Melbourne and every 2 years, so we've been to Adelaide, Barcelona, Indianapolis, Quebec, and basically we'll follow the game. Well, to celebrate the 50 years of South Wales Police Football Club and to coincide with our tour to Fort Lauderdale 30 years ago, we're going to return to Fort Lauderdale where we're going to play 2 games against local sides. We're going to meet with Broward Sheriff's County, we're going to be welcomed and hosted by them. And I think we're going to take full advantage of the freedom of the city we were granted 30 years ago when we went on our first tour there. We're looking for new players, people to replace people like myself who are coming to the end of the twilight of their careers. We have got players from all over South Wales Police, staff members, police officers. So if they get in touch with either myself, Richard Weber, or our manager, Chief Inspector Matt Lewis down west, James Dowler at headquarters, or Tom Warren in central, or any other of the players, they'll be made to feel most welcome.